The Edmonds School District employs 3,616 people. As my friend Keanu would say, whoa. With a group that large, sometimes it can be tough to know where to direct questions that come up. Enter the Edmonds Staff Workspace. While currently in the process of being built, all departments will have an Ask Me page, so your questions can always be directed to the right person. Let's look at student learning. Simply hover over the student learning banner and select Ask Me. Here, you'll find link pages with all the responsible parties' emails and phone extensions. Need something more specific or aren't sure which department to search? You can use the search tool. Let's say you need to find out who to talk to about video conferencing. Simply type video conferencing into the search tool located in the top right-hand corner of the site. Press Enter on your keyboard, click the link that says Ask Me, scroll down, and voila! You'll see the contact person for Zoom video conferencing is Christine. When you reach out, be sure to tell the person you're contacting that you found them via the staff workspace, so we can keep expanding this marvelous service. Finally, if you still can't find the person you're looking for, please let us know by clicking the link that looks like this. Your feedback is critical for the improvement of this site. Thank you so much for watching.